Motorized window shades are quickly becoming a must-have for anyone looking to add convenience and smart functionality to their home. But how much do they actually cost? Let's break it down. At first glance, motorized shades look just like traditional window coverings. The difference is a small, hidden motor that lets you raise or lower your shades with the press of a button, a remote, or even your smartphone. You can even set schedules or use voice assistants like Alexa or Siri for hands-free control. The initial cost of motorized window shades depends on a few factors. The type of window treatment you choose and the size of your windows play a big role. Basic roller shades can start under $200, while larger or more premium options like Roman shades can go over $1,000 per window. On top of that, you'll pay extra for the motor itself, which varies by brand and quality. Professional installation is highly recommended, especially for motorized shades, and those costs will depend on your home and the number of windows. Don't forget about ongoing costs. Battery-powered shades may need new batteries or recharging about once a year. Quality motors can help reduce repair and maintenance expenses. While the upfront investment is higher, motorized shades can save you money over time through improved energy efficiency and longer-lasting window treatments.